Hello, it's Jo and welcome to my gardening channel. I've just dug some trenches for the Pentland Javelin and I've dug them between 3 to 4 inches deep, which is about 7 to 10 centimetres deep. You want to space them out about 12 inches apart, which is roughly about 30 centimetres, and then your rows want to be about 18 inches apart from each other, which is about 45 centimetres. I've planted them, as you can see. I did line the trenches with some compost to really help with them to flourish better, and now I'm just going to put over the topsoil. And so there you have it. What I will do, I shall rake it over the soil a little bit more, get it a nice smooth surface. But for the time being, the potatoes are planted. As I say, in the next video, I'll show you how to smooth it all over and I'll water them. Really appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe below to receive more gardening tips and advice. See you in the next video.